Next question says, is it appropriate to give da'wah and bind the people who we help through sadaqat to attend our duroos, etc.? Or it could be against that our charity must only be for the sake of Allah?
If you give sadaqah to someone and you are a person of sunnah and salafiyah, then you should combine within your sadaqah to give them a good word. As the Prophet ﷺ said, enjoying the good is a sadaqah, forbidding the evil is a sadaqah. So enjoying the good and forbid the evil. Feed them and teach them. There's no harm in this. As for making it a condition, I'm going to give you money if you attend every Thursday my dars, then I don't advise with that, barakallahu feekum, because that might actually make them turn away from you. So the best way to do it is that you give the sadaqah and you give them da'wah. You leave them a book, you leave them an audio, you give them something that will benefit them. If you see something that they're doing that is haram, then you advise them with that, and so on. As for, attend the duroos in such and such a place, otherwise I'm not going to give you a penny, and you can suffer because, each person is different, so it might not be easy for them to attend. So, but as for prioritizing, then yes, you should prioritize the people of sunnah with your sadaqah. Barakallahu feekum.